What's the meaning of BC? BC. BC.
BC. BC. The term BC, or before Christ, refers to the time period before the birth of Jesus Christ. It is commonly used in historical and religious contexts as a way to mark the passage of time. The use of BC was first introduced by Dionysius Exiguus, a 6th-century monk, as a way to standardize the dating of historical events. Today, BC is often replaced with the more neutral term BCE, or before the Common Era, which is preferred by those who wish to avoid religious connotations. Nonetheless, BC remains a widely recognized and commonly used term in many contexts, particularly within religious studies and history.